used to have a lot of challenges before the cold room was put up here. We used to go to Ho, which is a distance of about 2.5 hours on poor roads to acquire our vaccines for the region. This is Oti region, one of the new regions which was carved out of Volta region. It has 9 administrative districts, 4 with island communities and riverine communities. A total population of 786,142, and children under 5, we approximate it to be 100,000. And out of these children under 5, 30% of them, about 30,000, live in these riverine and hard to access communities. This came out with challenges such as disruption in immunizations, which led to we missing some of the children that were supposed to be vaccinated, and also led to apathy on the part of caregivers, people having traveled through bad roads and poor communities to come here to receive vaccination and are not having the vaccines available, become dejected, and some are unable to come again for the vaccination. Now, with the provision of this cold room with attached offices and training facilities, I think the region is good to go. Now we are able to store vaccines at optimal temperatures, and we are able to distribute them efficiently, timely, cutting down the transportation time and also making sure that we reduce the missed children to the barest minimum. The attached facility also has provided us the opportunity to train our staff and to improve their skills in cold room management. When it comes to immunization too, now we are able to reach the people, the island communities, in a very short time. We are able to provide immunization to the facilities with the mindset that our vaccines are safe.